Hello guys, we have seen two videos on percentages. This is the third video. Let's have a quick review of what we have done in the previous video. We have discussed this concept where one quantity increases by X percentage, then the decrease in other quantity so that their product remains same. We have seen that the final result is, our observation is X by 100 plus X into 100. Similarly, when one quantity is decreases by X percentage, we have seen that for increase, we have seen that X by 100 plus X. For when it is decreases, what we need to do is, see, percentage increase. Let's say X percentage increases equal to minus X percentage decreases. Similarly, X percentage decrease equal to minus X percentage increases. So you need to keep this in the mind. So when one quantity is decreased by X percentage, then other quantity should increases so that the product remains same. So you just need to substitute minus X in this formula. So we get percentage decrease equal to minus X by 100 minus X into 100. So if you take minus to the left hand side, you get percentage increase, because negative of percentage decrease is nothing but percentage increase, which is X by 100 minus X, which we got here. We have written when percentage increases, you take a minus sign. I have denoted in the same color, negative red, and when it is percentage decrease, you need to take X by 100 plus X into 100. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే X percentage increase అన్నా మైనస్ X percentage decrease అన్నా ఒకటే. సిమిలర్లీ X percentage decrease అన్నా మైనస్ X percentage increase అన్నా ఒకటే. ఎప్పుడైతే ఇంక్రీజెస్ అన్నాడో X percentage వేస్తాం. When it is asked decreases, you need to substitute minus X in the place of increases. And we have seen example, the price of cooking oil has increased by 25%. We have seen that, and if you substitute in that formula, you got 20% decrease in usage, so that the expenditure will be the same. Or else you can do in the original way, it takes some time. Similarly, we have seen another example where costs are given, where final prices are given, not percentage. We have seen that the result will be y minus x by y into 100. సో ఇఫ్ y ఈజ్ లెస్ దెన్ ఎక్స్, సో ఒక y x కన్నా చిన్నదైతే ఇదేమవుతుంది, నెగిటివ్ అవుతుంది. సో పర్సంటేజ్ డిక్రీజ్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటి, పర్సంటేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అనేది పాజిటివ్ అంటే ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యింది. పర్సంటేజ్ డిక్రీజ్ నెగిటివ్ అయితే ఇంక్రీజ్ అయినట్టు, పర్సంటేజ్ డిక్రీజ్ పాజిటివ్ అయితే డిక్రీజ్ అయినట్టు. సో ఫైనల్ ప్రైస్ అనేది ఎక్స్ కన్నా ఎక్కువైంది అనుకో, ఫైనల్ ప్రైస్ ఇనిషియల్ ప్రైస్ కన్నా ఎక్కువైంది అనుకో, అప్పుడు పర్సంటేజ్ డిక్రీజ్. సో and we have seen one more model where one value is X percentage more than second value, then second is how much percentage less than first value, which we got the same result as in the previous model, which is X by 100 plus X into 100. Similarly, if X percentage is less than second value, then it is X by 100 minus X into 100. ఎందుకంటే X percentage increase equal to minus X percentage decrease. Similarly, X percentage decrease equal to minus X percentage increases. So today we will see the effective increase when two quantities are multiplied or taken product. Let's see. If a value is increased successively by X percentage and Y percentage, then the final increase is. So ఒక వాల్యూని సక్సెసివ్గా X percentage తర్వాత Y percentage ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాడు, అప్పుడు ఫైనల్ వాల్యూకి ఇనిషియల్ వాల్యూకి ఎంత పర్సంటేజ్ పెరిగింది అని అడిగాడు అనమాట. సో దాని అర్థం ఏంటంటే, లెట్స్ సే n ఈజ్ ద ఇనిషియల్ నెంబర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ బై X పర్సంటేజ్, యూ గెట్ ఏమొస్తుంది, X పర్సంటేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తే n ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ X బై 100 ఫస్ట్ లెక్చర్లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. సిమిలర్లీ ఈ సెకండ్ నెంబర్కి మళ్ళీ ఏం చేశాడు, Y పర్సంటేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాడు, అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది సో సింపుల్, విచ్ ఈస్ n ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ X బై 100, దీనికి Y పర్సంటేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాడు, అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది 1 ప్లస్ Y బై 100 వస్తుంది. మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి కదా Y పర్సంటేజ్ తోటి. సో ఇది ఫైనల్ అనమాట. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫైనల్ వాల్యూ. ఇనిషియల్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ n. నౌ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ హౌ మచ్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఇంక్రీజ్. సో దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం, విచ్ ఈక్వల్స్ n ఇంటూ ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. సో we got 1 plus x by 100 plus y by 100 plus xy by 100 into 100. If you observe, this is in the form of n into 1 plus some fraction. This fraction is nothing but fraction of increase. So ఇంత ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది, ఎందుకంటే మనం చూసాం x పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అంటే n ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ x బై 100 ఫ్రాక్షన్. సో ఇది ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఇంక్రీజ్. దెన్ పర్సెంటేజ్ విల్ బి వీ నీడ్ టు మల్టిప్లై విత్ 100. సో ఇది ఫ్రాక్షన్, దీనికి 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి పర్సెంటేజ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది అనమాట. సో ఎఫెక్టివ్ బ్లూ కలర్లో రాద్దాం. ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ ఎక్స్, దీనికి 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎక్స్ వస్తుంది, దీనికి చేస్తే వై వస్తుంది, దీనికి చేస్తే ఒక 100 పోతుంది, xy by 100. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఎఫెక్టివ్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంక్రీజ్. So which is x plus y plus xy by 100. So when a value is increased successively by x percentage, y percentage, then the final increase is x plus y plus xy by 100. ఇప్పుడు మీరు అనుకోవచ్చు ఇది ఫైనల్ ఇంక్రీజ్ x ప్లస్ y అవుతుందని. అలా కావద్దు, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ y పర్సంటేజ్ అనేది n ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ x బై 100కి పెరిగింది, nకి కాదు. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి x ప్లస్ y ప్లస్ xy బై 100. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ వన్ మోర్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ where one quantity is increased by x percentage, other quantity is increased by y percentage, then the effect on the product. See, even in this case, we will get the same answer, which is x plus y plus xy by 100. Let's see why. Why? Because let's say one quantity is n1, other quantity is n2. The product is n1 into n2. Now this is increased by x percentage, then the value will be n into 1 plus x by 100. Similarly, this is increased by y percentage, then the value will be n2 into 1 plus y by 100. Now what is the final product? What is the final product? The final product is n1 into n2 into 1 plus x by 100 into 1 plus y by 100. So if you observe, in the both cases we got the product of two increased percentages, which is 1 plus x by 100 into 1 plus y by 100. ఇప్పుడు మనం చూసుకుంటే ఈ రెండు కేసుల్లో మనకి సేమ్ వచ్చింది ఫైనల్ వాల్యూ. ఏంటంటే టూ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ పర్సంటేజెస్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, 1 plus x by 100 into 1 plus y by 100. సేమ్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ఆల్సో we got 1 plus x by 100 into 1 plus y by 100. So the effective increase is nothing but will be same as the previous case. So టూ టర్మ్స్ రెండు పర్సంటేజెస్తో ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యి దాని ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిందన్నా, ఒకే టర్మ్ 2 times సక్సెసివ్గా 2 పర్సంటేజెస్తో ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిందన్నా ఒకటే, ఎందుకంటే 1 plus x by 100 into 1 plus y by 100 చేస్తున్నాం ఈ కేసులో. ఈవెన్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ వీఆర్ మల్టిప్లయింగ్ 1 plus x by 100 into 1 plus y by 100. So the effective increase will be the same. The whole concept behind these two is multiplying two increased percentages. So effective increase will be x plus y plus xy by 100%. సో ఇది మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఈజీగా చాలా టైం సేవ్ అవుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలా ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ పేపర్స్లో ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఏ నెంబర్ ఈస్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ బై 20%, దెన్ డిక్రీజ్డ్ బై 15%, ఫైండ్ ద ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజ్. సో మన ఫార్ములా ఏం తెలుసు, ఫార్ములా విచ్ ఈస్ x plus y plus xy by 100. This is the observation we have got when we have done this problem. సో మనకేమొచ్చింది x plus y plus xy by 100% అని తెలుసు. సో ఇక్కడ x ఏంటి 20, y ఏంటి 15. ఇది 15 వేసారంటే మీరు అక్కడ మార్క్ పోతుంది, ఇక్కడ 15 కాదు, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 20% ఇంక్రీజ్డ్, 15% డిక్రీజ్డ్. సో 15% డిక్రీజ్డ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -15% ఇంక్రీజ్డ్. సో ఇక్కడ y ప్లస్లో -15 వేయాలి మనం. ఇక్కడ మనకి x ప్లస్ y ప్లస్ xy by 100 అనేది ఎప్పుడు x% ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యి y% ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే అప్పుడు x ప్లస్ y ప్లస్ xy by 100. ఇక్కడ ఒక క్వాంటిటీ తగ్గింది, సో దాన్ని నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూ తీసుకొని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలన్నమాట. సో 20 into -15 by 100 ఏమొస్తుంది, 20 - 15 is 5, 20 into 15 is 30, 300 minus 300 by 100, which is 3, which is 2. So 2% increase. So it is increase by 2%. Okay. There is an other way of solving this kind of question. When you need to multiply two increased percentages, what we need to do is, let's mark it. Please note this method also. This will be also so helpful in examinations when more than two successively increased percentages are given. అది ఎందుకో ఇప్పుడు చెప్తాను. So other way is, let us assume the number is 100. Now it is increased by 20%. 100కి 20% increase చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? It will be 120. Now 120 we need to decrease by 15%. What is 15% of 120? Which is 18. Why? Because 10% is 12. Because we need to cancel 1 0. 5% is half of 10%, which is 6. So if we add these two, we got 18. If we subtract 18, we get 102. So what is the final increase from 100 to 102? Which is 2%. So this is the answer. So ఈ కేసులో సేమ్ వచ్చింది. You can do in this way also or in this way, whichever makes you comfort. Please to follow that method. But this method where we have to assume 100, this will be helpful when more than 3% are given. Let's see what does that mean. Suppose a number is successively increased by 5%, 10% and 15%. So what is the effective increase in number? Let's do in the other way which we have discussed. Assume 100 and then 5%. What we got? We will get 105, and then 10%. What we will get? 10% is 10.5. So we get 11.5, and then 15%. What is 10% of this? 11.15. Sorry, this is 15. 11.5. This is 10%. What is 5%? Half of this, which is 5.775. So if we add these two, you get 5, 12, 17.325. So you add 17.325 to 115.5, which we get 132.825. So this is the final value. So the percentage increase is 32.825. So percentage increase is 32.825. So this is the final answer. Okay, let's do this problem. Let's do this problem in the way which we have discussed, x plus y plus xy by 100. So this is x plus y plus xy by 100 is for when it is successively increased by 2 times, or when it is taken product of 2 terms. What if it is successively increased by 3%? We will get 1 plus x by 100 into 1 plus y by 100 into 1 plus z by 100. So this means it is increased by x% and then y% and then z%. If you calculate this, you get x plus y plus z by 100 plus xy plus yz plus zx by 100 into 100, and the final one is xyz by 100 into 100. If you do in this way, you get this complex formula or complex observation. So this will be fraction of increase. So you need to multiply this with 100. So you got the final effective increase equal to, so this is when 3 times, or when the product of 3 terms. So effective increase will be x plus y plus z plus xy plus yz plus zx by 100 plus xyz by 100 into 100. So this is the effective percentage increase when it is successively increased by xyz percentages. So if you substitute 5, 10, 15 in that formula. This is x, this is y, this is z. You will get the same answer, which is 32.825, but it will take a lot of time because we need to add these three, which is 5 plus 10, which is 15, 15 plus 15, which is 30, and then you need to multiply 2 at a time, 50 plus 150 plus 75. So it takes a lot of time. Then I suggest you to go in this way. So if it is more than 2 terms, go in this way. If it is given just 2 terms, then follow our result, which is x plus y plus xy by 100. Follow this result. Let's see other problem. The length of rectangle is increased by 10% and breadth is increased by 15%. Find the effective increase in area of triangle. What is area of triangle? Which is area of rectangle, which is length into breadth. So it is product of two terms. One is increased by 10%, other is increased by 15%. So the effective increase will be x plus y plus xy by 100. So 10 plus 15 plus 150 by 100, which gives 25 plus 1.5, which is 26.5. So this is first method, or else you can do the simple way, which is assume 100, it has increased by 10%, which is 110, again increased by 15%. What is 15% of 110, which is 16.5, which gives 126.5. So the percentage increase is 26.5. 26.5. So the same answer. In the both cases we got the same answer. You can do in this way when more than 2 terms are given. When 2 terms are given, please do in this way, which is x plus y plus xy by 100. These both cases are same. Why? Because the concept behind these two. So ఈ మెయిన్ ఫార్ములా రావడానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే మనం ఇక్కడ 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ బై 100ని 1 ప్లస్ వై బై 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా ద ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆన్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్ కూడా మనం 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ బై 100 అండ్ 1 ప్లస్ వై బై 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఒక క్వాంటిటీ ఎక్స్ పర్సెంటేజ్, అదర్ క్వాంటిటీ వై పర్సెంటేజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఒకే క్వాంటిటీ ఎక్స్ పర్సెంటేజ్ అండ్ వై పర్సెంటేజ్తో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో దీస్ బోత్ కేసెస్ ద observation is the same and the formula also will be the same. And or else you can do in this way, which is assuming it is 100 and because we know that 20% of 100 is just 20, we can add and we can find the next number. For that number you can add or subtract based on that question and you will get the final result comparing with the 100, which will be the same, which will be very easy because 102 is nothing but 2% increase with 100 because 2% of 100 is 2, 3% is 3, 4% is 4. So this will be the easier way. Let's see another problem. The length of cuboid is increased by 20%, breadth is decreased by 20%, the height is increased by 10%. Then the effective increase or decrease in volume of cuboid. What is volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So it is product of 3 terms. So you can do, so what is x here? 20%. What is y here? Minus 20%. What is you can just write 20 minus 20. What is z here? 10. If you substitute x, y, z in this formula, you will get the answer. But it takes a lot of time because you need to substitute x, y, z in this complex formula. So I suggest you to not to follow this formula when 3 terms are given. But we have discussed the other way, assuming 100. So let us assume the initial value is 100. Now initial value is 100. Now one quantity is increased by 20%. So 100 increased by 20%, which means 120. 120 decreased by 20%. What is 10% of 120? 12. 20% will be 24. Just you need to multiply 12 with 2, which gives 96. 96 increased by 10%. What is 10% of 96? 9.6. See, these all things you need to calculate in your mind so that time will be saved. So if you add 9.6 with 96, you will get 105.6. So the effective increase is 5.6%. See, here you got a positive term when you compared with 100, so that it will be effective increase. Suppose here if you got some 97, let's say, then minus 3% increase, which means 3% decrease. Okay, so this will be the way of solving when more than 3 are given, when 2 are given. When 2 successive percentages are given, we can do in x plus y plus xy by 100. When it is 3, you can do x plus y plus z plus xy plus y plus yz plus zx by 100 plus xyz by 100 into 100. This will be so complex, so don't do in this way. Just you need to assume it is 100. So 10 to increase by given values, you will get the final result, and compare with the 100, you will get the effective increase. Now, one more concept is splitting a number into two parts such that one part is x percentage of other. So please do with me. Let's say number is n. It is splitted into two numbers. So ఒక నెంబర్ని రెండు భాగాలుగా మనం డివైడ్ చేయాలి. సచ్ దట్ ఒక భాగం ఏంటి, రెండో భాగానికి x percentage. So let us divide n as n1 and n2. Given n1 is x by 100 of n2. So this is equation 1. ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది. What is the other equation? n1 plus n2 should be n, because we have divided n as n1 and n2. So n1 plus n2 equal to n. So n1 is nothing but n2 into x by 100 plus n2, which is n. So what will be the n2? n2 equals 100 into n by 100 plus x. So if this is n2, n1 will be x into n by 100 plus x. If you observe, if you add these two, you will get n equal to n. So n2 will be, so one number will be 100 into n by 100 plus x. Other number will be x into n by 100 plus x, where x is nothing but 1% of x percentage of one number equal to the other number. So if you know one number, if you calculate just one number, you can subtract n minus n2, which gives n1, because n1 plus n2 equal to n. Let's do a small problem. Let's say the question is split 150 into 2 such that 1 is 15% of other. So just substitute in that formula, which is 100 by 100 plus x. X is 15 into 150, which gives 100 by 115 into 150. So let us say 25%. It will be easier. 25%. So this will be 25. This will be 25. So 100 by 125 into 150. So 25 fours 100 and 25 5s. So which equals 5 ones 5 30s, which is 120. So one number is 120. What will be the other number? 150 minus 120, which is 30. So 30 is other number. So the splitting is 120 comma 30. So 25% of 120 is 30. Okay, we have done with 3 videos on percentages. I will upload one more video which solves previous year questions. some practice questions on percentages. We have discussed enough models. If you are so clear with these concepts, you could easily solve any problem on percentages. Thank you.